I've had back problems for the last 25 years. The older I get, the more serious the back injuries feel, the pain and suffering. And a couple years ago I had to quit golf because of my back. And last year I went through and I had the steroid injections, 4 different injections. They didn't work on me. I've had many acupuncture done down here in Palm Desert and up in Portland, Oregon, where I live. November, last Thanksgiving, it got so bad that my pain level was like a 1 from 1 to 10. I couldn't get out of bed without my wife's help. I couldn't do the bathroom deeds without my wife helping me off and on the toilet. It was embarrassing, and it was, I was in pain 24/7. I spent 2 nights up against our refrigerator standing up trying to get relief so I could sleep for a little bit standing up. I don't know if you've tried that, but that's not a walk in the park. Then I got to the point where my quality of life was just nothing. And it bothered me just opening my eyes in the morning thinking about what I was going to go through during the day. And I talked to some surgeons regarding back surgery and the condition of my back. They didn't give me much hope that I would get the kind of relief that I could get around and function and drive my car and be able to walk around the house without pain. Then a neighbor of mine gave me Dr. O and Dr. H's stem cell book. I read the book. My wife and I talked about it, and honestly I felt I have everything to gain and none to lose. So I come in, talked to Dr. H. He looked at the MRI and the x-rays, told me the kind of procedure I'd be going through, and that was first part of February that I had the procedure. And they told me it would be probably 4 months, 6 months before I really felt it. In about towards the end of May, the excruciating pain, I wasn't having the spasms. In fact, every day it seemed like it was just better, and I would come down twice a week and do the therapy, and I think that probably had something to do with it. But it just pretty soon I stopped even thinking about having the bad back. Last Friday I went out on a golf course for the first time in 2 years, played golf with my buddies, and I just got to tell you, the procedure itself is a walk in the park. I think the time I spent in the clinic here, them doing the extraction, and then it was a 2-hour wait, and then I had the procedure done as far as the injection. There was no pain, nothing compared to the steroid shots that I had. I can just tell you life's good.